In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you will ever wanna restore it though, here's how. Hold your display, wait for those options to show, and when they do, hit widgets in the middle. Now look for Google App, click on it, scroll to look for your search bar, and when you find it, hold it and drag it. Place it wherever you wanna. Let go. Hit done at the top right corner. And then to adjust it, hold it again and resize it by operating those dots on the right and on the left. Then click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!